Welcome to the LS Blue Racing YouTube channel.
Today we're working on the S10. Got some upgrades for it. It's been a long time since I've made a video. It's been a long time since I've worked on the truck. It's just been a long time. We've got the baby coming soon, and the truck is just kind of my hobby. But today we're going to install some of these upgrades I've got. Check it out. All right, so here's the upgrades that we've got. Got some Holley valve covers. Buddy of mine hooked me up with them. They're genuine Holley. Genuine Holley. He hooked me up with them. He also hooked me up with a solid state relay that we're going to use for the nitrous system, the progressive, where we could really ramp in a big shot. And then he also gave me a Trunnion kit from BTR. I'm still running stock rockers and all that, but that ought to make for a good little upgrade with this big old cam that we got. The cam we got's big. He also told me that with these, you have to either cut down your bolts or get shorter bolts. So we'll probably get to that point and figure something out.
Someone said they need something fixed. I'm here to fix everything. And as expected, everything looks good. Valve string's got a weird color to them, and I don't know why. Just ran the truck a couple hours ago, but looks good.
We'll find out just how far.
Got to cut the bolt down. May not be very much, but we're gonna find out. I get by with just taking off the very, very tip of them. Yeah, just a little bit more. So theory is take off this little rounded part. Don't know how, I guess grinder, but that's what I'm thinking. But it looks like it's gonna work. Looks like just take that end off, and that is gonna be plenty. I just gotta do it to the rest of these and then the other side. So there is not much of a difference, but it's with these two here. It is extremely minute, but it is enough that if you don't cut this tip off, that the bolt will not seat all the way. Well, the rocker won't seat all the way down. So it's just a little tip. All right. Got it all figured out. Make sure my push rod is in there, supposed to be. Hey, give me a 17 millimeter while you at it, please. I hate LS valve covers. At least the valve cover gasket. It's always a freaking pain in the neck. All right, let's see if we can do it. Look at that. Damn.
Well, that wasn't too bad. Looks a whole lot better. Got to get a catch can for it. Same friend that helped me out with the valve covers. Now all this is pre-owned stuff. He is going to a different setup. He also gave me a catch can, which if you know me, you know I'm a redneck. We've been running these little filters. Now I'm not going to get rid of these little filters just yet because there's nothing wrong with them. But I am going to install this catch can. I'm going to get it installed and then I'm going to take it back off and get it a good cleaning and all that. Get a fresh filter on it maybe. Might just clean this filter. Get the hoses run and all that. I got to put the other side valve covers and rockers on. But we're going to get this routed and mounted. I'm sweating.
I'm freezing.
You're freezing.
Freezing.
Oh, come on. Junk. Freaking junk. Don't ruin that now.
I'm not ruining it. I'm
I
just.
ain't even put it on.
Well, lucky for you, I am. I'll do it for you.
You'll run it for me?
No, I'll break it in for you. All my jackets are too small.
Well, you ain't taking mine.
They're too short.
Oh my gosh, you eating my cookies too?
You don't even like these.
So?
They're my
You don't
favorite.
work for Triple S?
Guess what? Looks like I do.
And that's a nice hoodie. What was you just doing?
I'm for this.
With what? How was you doing it? Show me.
I just cut a little piece off.
I swear. You got a sticker on you.
But I do. They're my favorite.
This is the finished product. We've got the new valve covers on, the rockers and all that. I've got my catch can mounted and routed the way I want it. I may end up putting AN lines here and doing a complete 180 right there and sending it on the outside of the fuel rail because this is okay, but I mean, it's whatever. Over here, it looks pretty good. Need to put a clamp on that vent, but other than that, that's just gonna have to work for now. It looks good, fired up, running on all eight cylinders. I am very happy with it. Had absolutely no trouble with this valve cover. Well, that's gonna be all for this video. Got some more parts on the way. They'll be here within the next couple weeks. Truck is sitting in pretty good condition. Kind of gonna just tinker around with it, do some wiring, put that new relay on, and that's gonna be in the next video. Maybe got some other stuff that might be the next video. So stay tuned for that. But drop a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see it. Thanks for watching.